How to remove a Google account from YouTube app. There is no such way to directly remove a Google account from the YouTube app, but you can definitely change the Google account for the YouTube. But since we are trying to remove a Google account, you will have to permanently delete that account from the YouTube in order to remove it. So in order to do that, tap on the profile icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the Google account option available there right below your YouTube channel name. Once inside the Google account, you will get to see tabs available at the top. From there, tap on the data and privacy. Once you tap on the data and privacy, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the delete your Google account. Now follow the on instructions to delete this account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.